Hello everyone, this is Preeti Garg and I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. Today we will be continuing with the same chapter for class 10th, that is applications of trigonometry. Now we will be discussing question number 12 from exercise 9.1. We have exercise 9.1 and here we will be doing question number 12. Now, as you all are familiar and as I have told earlier that whenever we are applying trigonometry, it is always a right triangle and there are two types of angles that are made. One is angle of elevation and the other is angle of depression, right? And both the angles are formed with the normal. Right? This is just a recap of the previous angles. Now, let us read question number 12. Now it is given that from a top of 7 meter high building, say we are having a building over here. This is a building and the height of this building is 7 meter. From the top of 7 meter high building, now from this top, this is the top. The angle of elevation of top of cable tower. Now there is one cable tower. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is how much? 60 degree. Now what in this we are given? That we are having a building which is 7 meter high. There is a cable tower. And from the top of the building, if we look at the top of the cable tower, the angle which is made is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of its foot. ये जो cable tower है, इसका top पर angle of elevation, suppose I'm standing here, my eye contact is here. If I look upward, it will be angle of elevation. And if I look downward, it will be angle of depression. So it is upward, so it is 60 degree. And when from the same point the foot of the cable tower is seen, the angle of depression, angle तो यहीं से बनेगा ना, चाहे ऊपर बने चाहे यहाँ से बने, point तो यही रहेगा बनने के लिए. So that is how much? 45 degree. That angle is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. What we have to find? We have to find the height of this tower. This is the tower, right? And this we join. I hope the question is understood. I hope the question is understood that in this case you are given a building and you are given a cable tower. Now, let us write, let this building be AB. What? Let AB be a building of 7 meter. That means we will write AB is equals to 7 meter. Let it be C and D. Let CD be a tower of height, let us say H. This complete height is H. Fine. I think there is no problem till here. अब इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना है. देखो, ये बिल्डिंग है और ये टावर है. ये बिल्डिंग यहाँ तक इज 7 मीटर. दैट मीन्स दिस मच पोर्शन विल बी 7 मीटर. दिस मच पोर्शन विल बी 7 मीटर. दिस कंप्लीट वी टुक एज H. तो ये जो बचा हुआ एरिया है दिस विल बी H minus 7. राइट? जब ये 7 है तो इतना पोर्शन भी 7 होगा और ये पूरा H था, तो अगर इतना पोर्शन निकालना है तो इट विल बी total minus this 7. So H minus 7. Right? Now, what we will be doing? This is angle of elevation जो ऊपर जा रहा है. This is angle of depression. Now since these two are lines are parallel, this is angle of depression. तो जो एंगल यहाँ बनेगा वही एंगल यहाँ पर बनेगा. Fine? That means we can write angle 45 degree here also. Now we take in triangle ABD. We take triangle ABD. Look carefully. We are given this 7 here and we are given this angle 45. If we calculate this BD from here, right, then that BD can be used for this triangle also, because that BD will be same as this. Let it be E, AE. ठीक है. So what we will be doing, we will be finding BD from triangle ABD. Now this is the angle over here. The side opposite to the angle is always a perpendicular. Now this is perpendicular, this is your base. Perpendicular and base, which is the trigonometric ratio which is formed by perpendicular and base. It can be tan, it can be cot. So suppose we take it as tan. So now we take tan 45 degree is equals to AB upon BD. Value for tan 45 is 1, AB is 7, BD we don't know. So we solve it and we get the value of BD as 7 meter. Now this BD is equals to AE. That means it is also 7 meter. This BD and this AE also is 7 now. Now we will be using this triangle. सिर्फ जो ऊपर triangle बचा है, we will be using this triangle. This is 7 over here. This is H minus 7 and this angle is 60 degree. Right? Now in triangle, what is the name of this triangle? AEC. Up similar same way, this is angle. The side opposite to the angle is always perpendicular, and this is your base. That means perpendicular upon base is tan. So that is we are having tan 60 degree is equals to CE upon AE. Value for tan 60 is √3. CE is H minus 7 and AE is how much? AE is 7. That means H minus 7 is 7 √3, or H minus 7 is, sorry, H, bring this minus 7 to this side, this will become plus 7. You can leave it here or just solve it, take 7 out and you can write it √3 plus 1 meter. Fine. I hope this question is understood. Now this is a different question in which we have one angle of elevation and other as angle of depression. और आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि जहाँ पर angle of depression बनेगा उसकी नीचे की side it will be an alternate angle since the lines are parallel, तो वो नीचे की तरफ बन जाता है. Fine. I hope this question is clear to you. Okay. Then we will be trying the other questions. Okay.